Presentation by Muhammad Abrar Asif. Roll number, 23251. Department, BBA semester. First submit by, Sir Nadeem. Principles of Management. MGT 503. Lesson 02. Management and Managers. Definition of management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling resources within an organization to achieve specific goals. It involves coordinating the efforts of people to achieve the objectives and goals of an organization efficiently and effectively. 4 questions are addressed. Who are managers? What do managers do? What is management? Why study management? Who are managers? A manager is someone who works with and through other people by coordinating their work activities in order to accomplish organizational goals. Managers work in various departments and are employed by many types of organization. What do managers do? No two managers' jobs are alike. But management writers and researchers have developed some specific categorization schemes to describe what managers do. Traditionally, a manager's job has been classified according to the following 4 functions: planning, organizing, leading, controlling, making things happen, meeting the competition, organizing people. Planning. In management, planning is the process of setting goals, defining strategies, and outlining tasks and schedules to achieve those goals. It involves assessing the current situation, determining future objectives, and developing the necessary plans to reach those objectives efficiently. Organizing. In management, organizing is the process of arranging resources and tasks to achieve specific objectives. It involves establishing a structure of relationships and creating a framework for the smooth flow of information and coordination within an organization. Leading, also known as directing or influencing, is a crucial function of management that involves guiding, motivating, and inspiring individuals or teams to achieve organizational goals. Leading is about getting people to willingly contribute their efforts toward the accomplishment of organizational objectives. Controlling. Controlling, in the context of management, refers to the process of monitoring, evaluating, and regulating organizational activities to ensure that they align with the predetermined goals and plans. Making things happen. To make things happen, you must determine what you want to accomplish, plan how to achieve these goals, gather and manage the information needed to make a good decision, and control performance, so that you can take corrective action if performance falls short. Meeting the competition. Free trade agreements, shorter product development cycles, and fewer barriers to entering industries have created increased competition. Companies must consider how to deal with international competitors and have a well-thought-out competitive strategy. Organizing people, projects, and processes. Changes in how a company is organized must consider both people issues and work processes, how the work gets done. Management process. The management process refers to a series of interrelated functions or activities that managers perform to achieve organizational goals and objectives. These functions are typically described as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, often known as the POLC framework. What is management? Simply speaking, management is what managers do. However, this simple statement doesn't tell us much. Why study management? Management is important for our society, industry and government organizations. The importance of studying management can be explained by looking at the way we interact with organizations every day in our lives. Modern management ensures to create competitive advantage through people. Top-performing companies recognize the importance of the way they treat their workforces. These companies use ideas such as employee satisfaction, selective recruiting, performance-based high wages, reduction of status differences, sharing information, self-managed teams, and training and skill development. Investing in people will create long-lasting competitive advantages that are difficult for other companies to duplicate. Sound management practices can produce substantial advantages in sales, revenues, and customer satisfaction. Poorly performing companies that adopted management techniques as simple as setting expectations, coaching, and rewarding were able to substantially improve return on investment. Good management can increase customer satisfaction because employees tend to treat customers the same way that their managers treat them. Challenges in management. Time management. Communication issues. Time management. Time management refers to the process of planning and organizing how you allocate your time to different activities or tasks. Effective time management helps individuals balance work and other responsibilities. Communication issues. Communication issues refer to problems or difficulties that arise when there is a breakdown in the exchange of information between individuals or groups. These problems can manifest in various forms, such as misunderstandings, unclear messages, language barriers, or lack of effective listening. By studying management, students will be able to recognize good management and encourage it, as well as to recognize poor management and work to get it corrected. After graduation, you will either manage or be managed. A course in management provides insights into the way your boss or peer behave and shall help you to be familiar with the internal working of organizations.